Oh, let's buy that big fireplace with the shelf, I said. It'll be fun, I said. It'll look nice, I said. I hate my life. Bad if the instructions were straightforward, and I'm sure the way they have me doing it is much simpler, but what they have me doing is they have me doing grabbing all the wood, putting all these screws in first, and some of these little wooden plugs, and now they're having me go back through and add two different types of screws to all the pieces I did. My question is, could I not have just done those at the same time? Okay, I do see right now it's having me screw stuff down. I'll shut up. It's time to put everything together. I really hope this piece A is the actual bottom piece because there was no feet that came with it, and I didn't see any when I bought it, so I wasn't expecting that. But it didn't tell me what feet. It said, set down the bottom piece where you want the rest of it to go, but it didn't tell me what the bottom piece was. So I just assumed it was A. I hope I'm right. 5 degrees in here. My fan is busted. And I recently got fur rugs, which was a great idea a few weeks ago when it was raining every single day. But now it's 85 degrees, and I am dying trying to assemble my TV stand so I can have the NES I bought recently safe and not on the floor like my TV's been the past few days. I'm going to die. I was wrong. A is the top. I have built the base, and I built the base near where I'm going to put it, so not the hardest thing in the world to move. Put that there, but it tells me, and because the heaviest thing to move in that, but what weighed the box down so much was 30 pounds of fucking styrofoam and this heater that looks like a fireplace, which great fucking time for that purchase. That's the heaviest thing, but this is still fairly heavy. It says put it where you want it, then build it. But the supports were step 7. And step 9's putting this roof on, and then step 8 has me flip it over to put the back on, which doesn't really work for build it where you want it if you gotta flip it over. I mean, maybe I'm just stupid. That is very possible, but that just doesn't make a lot of sense. Pod isn't looking at all the pieces of the shelf laid out. It's just looking at this. Because I've been doing this for about 2 hours. I'm slow. It's not that it takes long. I'm just very slow. But there's still all of this stuff left, most of which I haven't touched once. I'm going to cry. Now I was about to be happy because I finished the stand part of it. Now I just gotta do the backing and the doors and such. I was about to celebrate. And then I found this little guy. This is something that helps lock its weird screws into place. Now, this has exactly 36 for the instructions, plus an extra 2 in case you lose one. Why do I have this? I looked at all the holes I can visibly see, and I can't see anything, but I have this. And now I'm terrified. Find out where the 42 screws go. They all go to putting on the backing. Prepare for a montage of continuous screwing. That came out so much better in my head. I am not sure what was more exhausting. Screwing all those screws or trying to fucking record them. Should develop a blister on my palm. I promise, it's not because I'm a pervert. I am a pervert, but that's not how I got the blister. Alright, break's over. Time to get back to it. You still have a little hole to stand in. Let's continue. I got the back done. I'm tired. It's like 8:30. I've been doing this since like 5 something. It was showing up better earlier. Oh, there we go. I have a nosebleed now that just started happening while I was screwing in screws. Yes, I did just look at my own blood. I think I'm gonna die. Number 2. It is 9 o'clock. Half a Powerade, 49 screws, and 2 mental breakdowns later, I have the back of the TV on. And I am not done. The doors have the latches installed now. I'm gonna title this fucking video like Descent into Madness. I reek of sweat and some smell that I recognize but cannot place that is coming off me. Reminds me of bad meat. I have a bleeding blister on my palm. My nose is trying to decide if it wants to be as dry as the Sahara or filled with blood. I am somehow, though, not tired, and yet instead have gotten the motivation while doing this to do my first video in forever. And yet I also want to give up on everything and die at the same time. It's very conflicting. I don't think I'm going to live. I'm going mad. And drinking Pepsi. I regret that immediately. This was supposed to come with 4 as little doorstops. It came with 3. Now, I'm not gonna go cause a fuss to, like, Amazon. It's just, I don't care enough, but, like, come on. But I really have, like, no right to complain. This was a $460 TV stand I got for $210. The fact that I'm missing a sticker, I'll just take this as the reason I'm discounted. Look! It closes and opens. And also closes by itself. I don't think it's supposed to do that, but it does. It's done. It's finally done. Not wired at all, and I still have all this trash, but by God, it's done. I just finished the last of everything. It is 12:33. And I still have to do the rest of my room's fixing up after moving all the shit to do this tomorrow. I'm gonna make a peanut butter and jelly, get a drink, and then go to bed. Because I got more work in the morning. Fun. Next day after the slow mental deterioration of yesterday. I finished it at 12:30, but at that point I was too tired to fix the rest of my room and just kind of talk about it because I had gone mad. So here's the TV stand all set up. There's the fireplace. It has a heater too, but I have the heater turned off, right? Yeah, I have the heater turned off. And then I'm gonna have to turn the flashlight on to probably show this. Then here we have my classic Nintendo, like real full-on classic NES that I bought. Very happy about that. This, which I'm pretty sure is official, but I might be wrong, just a mini. Then I have my Genesis, which is set up that I haven't been able to play yet, but I'm hoping I can do that later. If we go in here is the PS5 I bought and my headphones, and then just one of the little aim sticks. I take them off when I play games like Mortal Kombat, but put them on when I play, shooters. And then over in this drawer is the games I have for the classic consoles, the classic console controllers, and more controllers. I want to mention I am not wealthy. I bought pretty much everything in this room myself with a lot of saving and pretty much did the whole room myself. I will be doing a room tour eventually, but this was pretty much the final piece of big furniture that I bought. My parents are getting me a shelf to But all like my old Venom action figures, I need to clean those up. But yeah, I'll do a room tour probably pretty soon. Thank you for watching my, I was gonna say slow valley, rather rapid descent into madness. Bye.